Good morning, Mr. Commissioner. My name is Robert MacKinnon, and I, along with Donnery Nygaard, who is sitting beside me, are the co-lead counsel for the Government of Canada. Also on our council team are Brendan Van Nieuwenhuis, Andrea Gonzalez, and Andrew Gibbs. There will also be times during the hearing when other counsel from our team will be appearing before you. The Government of Canada looks forward to assisting the Commission in discharging its important mandate. As we have already heard, having a rigorous, thorough examination of the circumstances that led to the declaration of a public order emergency under the Emergencies Act by an independent third party is very important to the accuracy of the historical record and to the public's understanding of these events. The Commission's recommendations will provide valuable guidance for the government on several current and complex issues, such as the impact on domestic and foreign funding, including crowdsourcing platforms, the role of disinformation in social media in these events. It is evident that the Government of Canada considers the Commission's work of great significance, as it has allowed exceptional access to information that would normally be protected by Cabinet confidence in an almost unprecedented manner. As you have made reference, Mr. Commissioner, of the 371 federal commissions of inquiry, only 3 others since Confederation were provided access to documents provided by Cabinet. Factual and background information, options, and analyses brought to the attention of ministers in the context of Cabinet and committee discussions have been exceptionally disclosed so that the Commission has access to the facts that were considered by decision makers in declaring a public order emergency. It is important for Canadians to understand the unprecedented critical situation that the country was facing earlier this year. The evidence will show that the invocation of the Emergencies Act was a reasonable and necessary decision, given the escalating, volatile, and urgent circumstances across the country. The evidence of the government witnesses will detail the facts and events leading to the decision to declare a public order emergency. They will describe the countrywide threats to the security of Canada, the illegal blockades, the disruption and intimidation experienced by Ottawa residents, the threats at our borders and ports of entry, and the real impacts on Canada's trade, international reputation, and the economic well-being of Canadians. The government witnesses will outline the deliberate, step-by-step process in which careful consideration was given to all the available options which led to the declaration of a public order emergency as a matter of last resort. The witnesses will also provide evidence on how the measures taken for dealing with the emergency were proportional, effective, and time-limited. In closing, I would like to note that given the statutory deadline imposed by the Act, the Commission and all the parties have had an incredible amount of work to do in a very limited amount of time. The government appreciates the cooperation of everyone involved in working together to assist the Commission to fulfill its important mandate, and we look forward to continuing to assist the Commission in its work.